I will show you how you can upload a PDF file to DeepSeek in just a few seconds. If you find this helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and leave a like for more. So the process is very simple. The first thing you need to do is log into your DeepSeek account. Now once you are logged in, you'll be right here at your new chat and you will see this option to upload documents or images. In my case, I'm gonna upload this file sample which doesn't include any information. It's just some placeholder text. And I'm gonna click this button and upload the PDF file. It will take a few seconds, and as you can see, DeepSeek will only extract the text from the images or files you upload. And now once it loads, I'm gonna ask, what is this PDF about? And as you can see, DeepSeek will recognize this PDF is a sample document containing a placeholder text, and it also detects all the details that this file includes. It's important to note that DeepSeek will only extract the text from your files or images you upload, so that's all you can do with files. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.